first official merch drop has finally released. We just hit 5K subscribers. Appreciate every single one of you guys that's been supporting me, you know, rocking with the channel, liking the videos, subscribing, you know, commenting. So I got a sweatshirt and I got a t-shirt. So I'm gonna put on the t-shirt so you guys can actually see what it looks like, and also the sweatshirt so you guys can see what it looks like. The sweatshirt does run a little small, so if you guys are gonna purchase the sweatshirt, make sure you size up. Taking some pictures in front of this cool little area right here. Has this glass little structure right here. Honestly, pretty cool. Taking some pictures of the merch. So if you guys aren't familiar with the car, it is a single turbo 335 IS. Pretty much got the full works done to it. So we have sweatshirts, we have t-shirts, and we have hats, snapbacks. So one size fits all, you know what I'm saying? Snap it to your perfect liking. But you guys can see right here, this is the hat. As you guys can see, officially hit 5K subscribers. So big shout out to all you guys that's been rocking with the boys, supporting the channel, commenting, liking the videos. So hey, big thanks to you guys that's been rocking, holding it down. But hey, I'm gonna put on the merch, show you guys what we're looking like. And hey, if you guys want to support, it's gonna be the first link in the description. Behind the scenes for you guys. This is the shirt right here. You guys can see the print, super nice. Go behind the scenes for you guys, showing y'all what it really be about, you know, for the photo shoot. What is that? It's an Apache. He's a real shooter. Like I said, guys, size up. So this is a large. I'm probably gonna get another one and get an extra large for myself.
And all, and now I just gotta get it in my hands myself. The phone analyzes so much.
Yeah, that's fact. I feel like you gotta keep it out. That's what it was high. It is still 80. But when that winter time come around, I'm gonna be rocking it. I'm gonna be rocking it. Winter circle. You guys can see, got the hat too. T-shirt. First link in the description. We just finished up the photo shoot, man. Hey, I don't know if y'all saw that security guard said we had to dip out, but he was cool. He was heckin' cool. But hey, success, great success. We hit 5K today. That's kind of crazy. Everything's kind of worked out perfectly.